and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming through to my channel, I'd like to say thank you so much for coming through. Remember to like, subscribe and comment. As you can see, we're already at scene. We are going quad bike driving by the beach, and it's a vlog. Stay tuned to see how this goes. Subscribe. We have arrived and we're about to do the thing. Well, I'm about to do the thing. Let's go on the journey. By the seaside, absolutely really beautiful. It is a seaside drive. Super excited. You need to try this out. They were like in dust, so you know, girl gotta protect herself, you know what I mean? So we are doing the dust thing, you know. Cautious, you know what I mean? Ooh. It's so hard to film, and you know, but I'm trying my best, you know what I mean? So y'all can have the content. Driving a quad bike by the beach, I guess. It's really amazing, I promise you. You will not be disappointed. I'm looking at myself, I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to make sure that I'm actually filming something. So now we're taking a little break from the journey, just chilling, enjoying the scenery. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my Lord. And you make sure you hydrate. Drink your water. Drink your water. That's basically it, guys. Make sure to give this a try. It is so much fun. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Oh my Lord. I'll probably go look for food after this, and I don't know if I'll include it in the vlog, but just know that one guy ate at some point in time. Alrighty, catch you on the flip side. So yeah, guys, I am going to end my vlog here. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in my next upload, which will be day 24 of my 30-day filmathon on YouTube.